right along, we have skit 16. This is the final battle between the Gun Devil and Aki. Aki will seek his final revenge. Or, sorry, we're gonna give him justice. This is the final battle between the Gun Devil and Aki. Will Aki finally seek his revenge or have to face his greatest fear, himself?
Curse. How much time do I have left? 2 minutes. 30 minutes.
I literally thought they were just gonna hide back here for the rest of the evening, just behind the curtain, like, we couldn't leave, we're stuck up here for the rest of the show.
And that was, look, all right, I'm just I got a little bit of stage fright right now. I'm scared. If I keep this up, I'm gonna create the idol devil. I am igniting some ferocious behavior in them. So, okay, I guess I'm gonna create the colossal devil. That's what's been going on. All right, that was Anri as Aki and the Gun Devil from Chainsawman.
So again, not fully caught up on Chainsawman. Is there a spider devil? Is it just Shelob from Lord of the Rings, or is it worse? I'm done watching Chainsaw Man. It's what? It's Greek? Oh, great.
A spider devil or Chainsaw Man?
The spider is Greek, Chainsaw Man is great. All right.